Isolate adjacent tissues and restorations with a well-sealed rubber dam or OpalDam resin barrier. For OpalDam, attach the black mini tip and verify flow and consistency before applying. Light cure with Velo curing light for 5 seconds on standard power mode. Use a scanning motion to prevent heat irritation on the soft tissues. Slightly abrade porcelain surface or exposed metal surface with high-speed diamond burr or micro-air abrasion. Remove any composite if present. You must protect exposed enamel, dentin, and soft tissues from porcelain etch. Ensure proper isolation before continuing. For porcelain repair with exposed enamel or dentin, first etch tooth surface with Ultra-Etch etchant for 15 seconds. Rinse and leave moist with no visible puddles. Note, if there is a risk of hydrofluoric acid coming into contact with dentin and enamel surfaces adjacent to the repair, it is important to etch surfaces as it will decrease the ability of the phosphoric acid to adequately etch those surfaces. Remove lure lock cap from porcelain etch and securely attach Inspiral Brush tip. Verify flow and consistency before applying. Being careful to avoid enamel and dentin, slowly express an even coat onto prepared porcelain for 90 seconds. Suction acid from surface, then thoroughly rinse and dry surface. Porcelain should have a frosted appearance. If it does not, repeat porcelain etch steps. Remove lure lock cap from Ultra-Etch etchant and securely attach blue microtip. Verify flow before applying. Apply Ultra-Etch etchant for 5 seconds to remove porcelain salts and debris formed by the hydrofluoric etchant. Rinse and dry. Remove lure lock cap from silane and securely attach black mini brush tip. Verify flow and consistency before applying. Apply silane and let evaporate for 1 minute. Then blow with a gentle stream of air until completely dry. Attach the Inspiral Brush tip to Peak Universal Bond adhesive. Verify flow and consistency before applying. Apply Peak Universal Bond adhesive, painting it onto the porcelain, enamel, and metal. Scrub into dentin. Air thin for 10 seconds using quarter to half air pressure. Prep should appear shiny. Light cure with Velo curing light for 10 seconds on standard power mode. For surfaces with exposed metal, use PermaFlo composite Dentin Opaquer and micro 20 gauge tip. Verify flow and consistency prior to applying. Apply a thin coat of Dentin Opaquer over metal and light cure with Velo curing light for 10 seconds on standard power mode. Complete restoration with composite.